What's up, guys? On this episode, we're gonna be painting the 69 C10. Alright, guys, we're actually gonna be painting the truck with the spray gun, and we're gonna be painting it with clear coat. Alright, guys, so before we can start painting, we actually have to set up the spray gun, and we have to put one of these fittings on it so we can go ahead and connect it to the air hose. Alright, guys, so the knob I'm holding right now, this is to control how much material, or I guess paint, will go through the gun. Then the second one is to control the fan and how much it blows the air that goes inside the gun. And then this controls the PSI we're going to be using. We also have some protective equipment, and we're also going to be blowing the truck down with air before we start painting. So before we started painting, we actually already went ahead and calibrated the gun. Alright, guys, we actually went ahead and put 4 coats of clear coat, and right now we're gonna go ahead and clean the gun with some thinner. Look into my eyes and tell me every tell me what So I forgot to wash it, but this is on top of the clear coat. It's not inside the clear coat. Alright guys, so hopefully y'all like how like the paint turned out. I think it looks super sick. It brings out the shine in the paint. But in the next episode we're gonna be switching out the clutch in the 71Z10 because it's already going bad. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. I'll see you next time, guys.